Hey there friends, ETPC here doing another review, unboxing. Alright, so we got the Wi-Fi smart socket. This is basically a socket that you can control from your phone. Pick this up from Floureon. Let's open it up, see what we got here. So this can be hooked up with your iPhone, Android device, or Amazon Alexa. So instruction manual in there. Okay, in here we have the plug. And that's it. So here we have it. It is just your standard outlet, so 1-for-1. I'm gonna set this up, show you guys how to do it. We'll see how it works, and we'll be back. Alright friends, so we're going to go to the Play Store here. Okay, I'm going to type in eFamily Cloud. And there it is right there, so we'll install that app. Okay. Open that app up. Okay, so it says log in or register. So scan the QR code, click register, okay. We'll put in our email. Password. How about hello? Okay, so hello. How are you? Letters, numbers. Okay, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. HELLO. Alrighty, so now that we have logged in there, receive a verification user email. Please click next step and create a password. Set your password. Before device connection, it is required to reset the device. See facts for resetting method. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and plug the device in. Okay, the light is flashing. I'm going to go add device and click add device. So it's a socket, so we're going to click socket and power on the device and confirm the indicator lights. Okay, confirm indicator light is rapidly blinking, yes. Enter Wi-Fi password, okay. Okay, so download the app, and now what we want to do is plug this in. Okay, so we're going to do that. Okay, and we're going to hold down this button for 5 seconds. So push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Confirm that it's beeping rapidly, which it is. Go back to that, and we're going to retry. Okay, so power on device and confirm it's blinking rapidly, so click the confirm. We're going to put in our password here real quick. Okay, so put that in. And it slowed down a little bit. It started doing that. So I had it on the 5G, and it doesn't connect through that. So it helps if you do. Oh, the light is blue now. Let's go back to the Family Cloud and see. Oh, added it already. So that was quick. And we're going to name this one. Let's see. Socket is good. socket is off. Okay, so I'm gonna plug something into Mr. Socket and see what it does. So 1 second here. Okay, so I have my switch here, and I'm gonna go show you what I got here with my camera. Okay, so I just plugged in my phone right here, and there it is. So we're gonna go back and click the switch. Okay, gonna go switch on, socket is off, I'm gonna turn it on. Go back to my camera real quick, and look at that, the light is on. And obviously I can go back, turn off the socket, switch, light goes off, just like that. So that works pretty neat. I'm gonna go back over, maybe try to set up Alexa here. So we'll be back here. Okay, so I have Alexa right there. Turn on my socket. It's already on. Alexa, turn off my socket. There we go. So I named it Socket. It's all hooked up to Alexa now, and I can control it with my phone also. So works great. Setup was easy. No issues so far. So Alexa, turn on my socket. Boom. Pretty cool. My house is getting smarter all the time. Alexa, turn off my socket. And there we have it. All right, let's go back to the review, my friends. Okay, here it says socket is off, and we're gonna mess with the timer a little bit. So let's go to the timer, add a schedule. It's 14:58, so I want the light on at 14:59. And okay, so only once. Saturday, Tuesday. And we get, oops, how about 1500? Oops, 1500, and we're going to hit save. So Tuesday, that is going to come on at 1500. So I'm going to switch over to my phone here. Camera. Where's the camera? Okay. And now we're just waiting patiently. This clock is a little slow. So hopefully, checking out the timer here, it should come on in about 1 minute. So everything seems to work pretty good. Works with Amazon Alexa. Oops, she heard me. Shh. And note, just like the instruction says, it doesn't set up with 5G. So 2.4 is good. So we did that, connected pretty much immediately. Just waiting here to see if it's going to turn on. Seems like it's been about a minute already, but we'll wait patiently because we're about a minute out, and when you're waiting for a minute, it lasts longer than you think. Boom, there we go, right at 3 o'clock. How about that? So the timer works, Amazon Alexa hookup works, the app works, everything works, my friends. What can I say? Let's go do the review. Okay, friends, here it is, final review here. Works great. It worked with Amazon Alexa, worked with my Google Pixel phone. The timer worked, everything worked as advertised. Setup was fairly easy once I followed the instructions correctly. Remember, not 5G, but 2.4G it sets up on. Can't set up on the 5G network. So, handy little light switch. I didn't have any issues at all. Everything worked great. Worked with Amazon Alexa. commands, everything was cool. It has one little plug in there, so it's not bad. So it's kind of handy if you're away at work or vacation. You can turn on your light, turn it off, set it on a timer, whatever you want to do so people think you're home. Nice little security device. Other than that, let's see. I'll leave a link in the description below. And I think I picked it up for around 12 bucks. Floureon.com. So thanks for watching, my friends. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next review. Be sure to check out that review playlist I have, and always add more videos. All right, we'll see you next time.